Before anyone touches the locomotive, the site has to be made safe. Software and invoice can recovery with an accident in seconds. Secure the area first, then the structure. With a machine this heavy, one wrong step can collapse the ground or shift the load unexpectedly. Out here, there's no safe way to do precision work. The decision is simple. Stabilize the giant, pull it out of the forest. Our goal is simple. Bring 1014 back to safe operation. Every 7 years, measured, documented, and done in the right order. The tender is stabilized, serviced, and staged. When the locomotive is ready, this becomes a part of it. Stables tie the firebox to the outer shell. We check them methodically, one at a time, because safe steam breaks. This is how restoration stays honest. Measure, record, then decide. PASS moves. One side is back together, and that matters. But a locomotive this big doesn't come back with one victory. One side is back together, and that matters. But a locomotive this big doesn't come back with one victory. That sound is progress. That's the system doing its job. When pressure reaches the limit, safety valve lifts, briefly, cleanly, so boiler never goes where it should. Big boy 4884. 4 idle wheels to guide the front. 2 groups of 8 drivers to put power.